Let's refresh my iPad using the paperlike screen protector. The paperlike helps you write and draw on your iPad like on paper. It truly helps me having neater handwriting as I have more control over my Apple Pencil. I usually am not the best with applying screen protectors, but paperlike's step-by-step tutorial really helped me in applying it correctly. Here I'm using the provided wipe and dust absorber to prepare my screen. Then I placed it and removed the bubbles, and that's it. Now listen to this writing.